Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I will show you how to remove the OK button that sometimes appears at the end of your SurveyMonkey survey. This can help make your surveys smoother and more user-friendly. Let's get started. The OK button is SurveyMonkey usually appears after custom scripts or redirect actions. It's not a default feature for basic surveys but might show up if you have added custom code or logic. Now let's remove it. First of all, log into your SurveyMonkey account. Scroll down and find the survey you want to edit and click on it. Go to the builder section where you can adjust your survey settings and structure. If you added custom HTML, JavaScript or logic that triggers the OK button, go to the question or page where that code is. Select or adjust the script to remove the button trigger. Double check any advanced settings for redirects or pop-up actions that might cause the issue. Then click edit, remove and write something like done. Then click save. And that's it. You have successfully removed the OK button from your SurveyMonkey survey. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more survey tips. Thanks for watching.